Hello folks, this is Sammy here from RV Ready in Lake Elsinore, California, inside our showroom. I'm going to show you today a video for a 2022 Vibe 28QB. Very nice fiberglass laminate trailer with aluminum framing. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. Have alloy wheels, outside speakers, outside kitchen with a griddle, small refrigerator, very nice back, very thick and deep slide, as you can see. Gives you a lot of room inside. Sorry, it's a little tight here, so I'm trying to get the best I can. And now we go towards the front. Well, let me show you the compartment first, I guess. Nice and finished. See the aluminum. And here's the front. I'm gonna go around now and go inside, give you a better look. Oh, I want to point out these things here. These are called Armstrong jacks. Notice there's 3 points of contact on every corner, which makes it the most stable jack system in the industry. It's a lot more stable even than electric jacks. So going in, I notice that the door is a little bit wider than usual. And here is my finger's in the way. Huge slide out with a tri-fold sofa, a nice U-shaped dinette with drawers underneath. And if I go around this way, I'll show you the kitchen. That's an 8 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. Beautiful cabinets, gray, modern. I have a countertop extension, very pretty aluminum sink. And look at that, it's just glass in here. Looks really pretty and modern. One cool thing about it is that you get a trash can access right here from inside. That's usually a problem for all the RVs, where to put the trash. That's a back view. Oops, I hit the wall. Television, fireplace, going in. Very nice bedroom. Room to walk around, notice, from both sides. So I'm gonna go back out and head towards the back of the Vibe. Fairly decent, spacious bathroom, cabinet, and a good size tub. Oh, and let's not forget this max air vent here. These are the best things since sliced bread. Now that door closes for privacy for the bunk room, but it also can remain in place. I have cabinet storage here, little cubes for the kids, makes into beds of course. Then there's another bunk, a bunk, and a bunk. Little stand here, there's USBs everywhere for the bunk room, bunk, USB, bunk, USB. It is just very pretty, modern. And here's what you got. 2022 Vibe 28QB at RV Ready in Lake Elsinore. Come down and see us.